So here we have this Bestier gaming desk with power outlets. Now in this video I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. Quite a few pieces here. There's a few laminate boards for the tabletop, then a bunch of metal pieces for the frame, then some metal shelves, then a few different accessories, a bag of hardware, and the instructions. Looks like this is going to be a pretty decent build, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to use this timer to see how long it takes. We're going to start by assembling the shelf section, and I'm using a screw gun here to make it go faster, but it does come with an Allen wrench to screw them on. There's really only one screw length used to assemble the frame, and that's 28mm, which makes it really simple. Then we're going to attach these upper pieces, making sure the outer holes are going to be facing upwards. Now we're going to assemble the other side that has a lower table section. Just connect these two L-shaped pieces together and then screw on the support at the bottom. Then grab the big piece that looks like a U and screw the shelf support onto that too. Now we can connect them together with these shorter tubes and make sure all the holes are facing up so we can attach the shelves, which is what we're going to do now. Put the shelves on and screw them in from underneath. All the screws are the same length, so you don't have to worry about them popping through. That's really nice. Now we're going to connect this to the shelf section we made earlier. And to do that, we're going to take this long square tube piece with a tab at the end, put a bolt through it, and then a nut on the other side. Tighten those on with a wrench, and then just put a screw in the other side. Then connect this front rod on, just a screw into either end. And you can put those two holes on either side, but it makes more sense to have them over here. And those holes are for this cup holder. Just put two screws through here, and then nuts on the back side. And then you can attach this headset hook over here. There are two sets of holes on this side, so if you want to move the cup holder and headset holder around, you can. Now we want to make the desk solid, and to do that, we're going to attach X bracing, and that's just these 4 rods. 2 are attached to each side with a screw and nut, and then all 4 of those are connected together in the center with another screw and nut. Now I did have a problem here. The screw was too short to get these together. I really tried to get it on, but it just wasn't working, so I just used one of the extra long screws, and that worked alright. Anyway, now we can put it on the top and attach it underneath with a bunch of screws, then drop in the power strip and screw it in on both sides. Now we can assemble the monitor stand. To do this, we're just going to take these 2 long boards, connect them with dowels, then roll out this LED light strip, unpeel the sticker, and then stick it on, matching it up with the line on the bottom of the 2 boards. And make sure you put the side with the plug-in on the shorter board. Then there's a bunch of plastic clips that go over the lights and secure them on. Just line those up with the pre-drilled holes and then screw them on. Now we can attach the frame. It just takes a rectangle on one end, then a long piece connecting those together. Then there's another rectangle with a spot cut out for the lights that goes right over where the 2 boards meet, and then screw on the second horizontal piece. And finally, screw on the support post to the longer piece. Now let's set that thing on top of the desk and line it up with the threaded inserts, then secure it on by putting 2 screws through each one of these pieces, and then put a couple screws through this piece here that sticks up. And finally, the last screw goes through the bottom here and into the support rod. Alright, and there we go. It's all put together. It took just under an hour. Easy to follow instructions. That's always nice. But anyway, I really like how it looks, so let's take a closer look at it. There's different options, but this is the carbon fiber desk. Here's a closer look at that. Looks great. The tops are a particle board covered in laminate, and they measure 1/2 inch thick. The framing is made out of this 3/4 inch metal square tube steel that has a powder coated finish on it. It has a cup holder that folds out, fits a cup pretty well, and if you want to move it, you can put it over here right next to this headset hook. The desk has a lowered shelf over here for maybe a gaming console or a printer, and then a nice tall shelf right underneath that for your PC. There's also these 2 adjustable metal shelves. You can see all the holes over there that you can adjust them to. They also have a powder coated finish on them. Then this really long monitor stand. It's so long you might just consider it a shelf, but it has plenty of room for 1 to 3 monitors and plenty of support that you could stand on it. And it's bolted to the table, so it's stuck in place. Under that is this LED light strip. I'll turn it on in just a second. There's also this 4-plug power strip that the lights can plug into, and then there's a second USB port. It has a nice long 6-foot cord, and there's what those lights look like turned on. There's a little controller over here on the wire. For a more permanent setup, I'd probably glue it right here or use some tape to hold it there. Looks a lot better in person, but looks nice on camera too. And this does have X bracing in the back and leveling feet. Makes it pretty solid. So yeah, overall, I think this desk is built really well and it looks great. I especially like the carbon fiber on it.